Magandang araw mga kairas. Nandito tayo ngayon sa St. James the Greater Parish in Volusan, Sorsogon. Philippines is one of the oldest churches in the Diocese of Sorsogon. What is Misa de Gallo? Mga kairas, nag-attend ako ngayon ng Misa de Gallo. Misa de Gallo is a Spanish term that translates to Roster Mass in English. It refers to the Catholic tradition of celebrating Mass during the early hours of the morning, usually at around 4 or 5 a.m. in days leading up to Christmas. The term Gallo or Roster is used because the Mass is traditionally held at the time when rooster crow to announce the dawn. The term Misa de Gallo is commonly used in Spanish-speaking countries, while in the Philippines, it is known as Simbang Gabi. At dito naman sa Bulusan, ito ay tinatawag naming suhot-suhot, which means night of Mass in Filipino. This tradition originated from the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines and has become a cherished and widely practiced Christmas tradition in the country. Nung nakaraang taon, halos nakompleto ko ito. Pero ngayon hindi ko na kumpleto.
And pray available. Then there was this
Attending Misa de Gallo plays a significant role in helping Catholics prepare for the birth of Jesus Christ. Reflecting on Advent season, Misa de Gallo takes place during the Advent season, which is a time of expectant waiting in preparation for the coming of Christ. Completing the tradition of attending all 9 days of Misa de Gallo hold special significance in the Catholic faith, particularly in the Philippines. Receiving special graces and blessing, it is believed that those who complete the 9-day series of Misa de Gallo or Simbang Gabi Masses receive special grace and blessing from the God. Making a wish or prayer, some people believe that completing Misa de Gallo entitles them to make a special wish or prayer often related to personal intention or the well-being of their loved ones.